Wow, this is such a great community.
And if we lived here, we could walk the ridge every day.
I know, and we'll be able to enjoy one of the best views in the city.
And speaking of which, why don't we talk about what our dream home would look like?
Well, we would want an oversized lot. You gotta have a big backyard.
Yes, for those beautiful hot summer days when we're having a barbecue. And a large open concept space for when we have everyone over.
Yes, it'd be perfect for the kids and the grandchildren.
And a fantastic kitchen with lots of prep space to make meals.
And a great dining area right across from the kitchen to eat those meals.
I've always dreamed of a huge, regal bedroom.
Maybe I could finally get my games area.
With the pool table you have always dreamt of.
You read my mind.
Sorry guys, couldn't help but overhear, but I might have a great property option for you.